Hi everyone, Najwa here. Welcome back. If you're new, welcome. Please consider to be subscribed to my channel if you like beauty content and lifestyle content, and come join the Loud family. Don't forget to also click on the bell for notification, and also don't forget to like this video because that will help my channel a lot. So today I'm going to be unbagging my Ipsy October 2021 Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus. So let's get to it. So I'm going to start with the Ipsy Glam Bag first. So this is how it looks like. As you know, October is Halloween month, so this bag is Halloween theme. I like the bag so much. I don't know whether you can see on the camera, but it has like a faux leather design with this black vampire lip here. So nice, with green zipper and also green lipstick zipper pull. So cute. So just a throwback. Anyone remember this bag? So this is a throwback to their, I think it was 2019. I think it was 2019 Halloween glam bag. Yeah, just a small throwback there. So anyway, let's open and see what I got. As usual, if you did not know, Ipsy Glam Bag and Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is a subscription from the US. It only ships to the US and Canada. So for the Ipsy Glam Bag, usually they will give about 5 sample sizes products for you to try. Sometimes you will actually get full size products like brushes, eyeliner, even a palette. So for my glam bag this month, I got the first item is by Way. It's a detox shampoo. It's for all hair types. It says that it will actually deeply cleanse away dirt, oil and impurities. So this is a good size to try, although I think I'm only gonna get like only 2 use out of this because my hair is long and thick. But anyway, I'm so glad to get anything from Way. I love their products so much. Okay, so the next product is actually this. This is actually the Pure Pressed Mineral Makeup Broad Spectrum SPF 15. This is actually a mineral powder. I actually already used this on my face on top of my foundation. I got the color golden medium, so let me just swatch it. So you can see it's actually a mineral powder, and it has so it does have coverage. I tried it and I like it, but I do not know in terms of longevity how well it will stay put on the face. But right now, if you can see, it's really nice. I have it on top of my makeup, on top of my foundation. So yeah, the next item that I got is actually, this is so nice. This is actually a eyeshadow quad by Basic Beauty. It states in the Ipsy website and also the app that this is a full size product. So this is how it looks like. It's a quad. It's a very neutral, I would say neutral quad. It has 1 matte color and 3 shimmers. I have it on my eyes today. The color story is actually quite nice. It's very suitable for the use, and you can also glam it up a bit because they have like slightly darker tone of shimmer here. I will swatch this for you. So this is the swatch for the, I don't know if you can see it. So this is the swatch. This is the matte color. This is the 3 shimmers. So you can see this shimmer is a bit darker than this one. In my opinion, after trying it out for the first time, I think the shimmers are really nice. The matte is okay. I mean, it's I don't have any problems blending the matte color, but other than that, I think it's a very decent eyeshadow to have. I mean, this is good if you want to have like a touch up to put in your bag, in your purse, because it's really tiny. It's like this size. So yes, I'm glad to get this as well. The next product is something that I chose, which is the I don't know how to pronounce this brand. I think it's Uma by Sharon C. Uma Beauty by Sharon C. the Better Boom Volumizing Mascara. So this is a sample size. This is the bristle. So it's like the bristle is quite unique. I don't have anything like this in my mascara collection, and I tried this and oh my god, not too sure if you guys can see it. Let me zoom in. Can you guys see how long my eyelashes are? This mascara is really good. I don't know, I'm so glad I chose this as my choice, because I feel that, oh my god, can you see how long it makes my eyelashes? I don't know, this is only my first impression. I've not tried it for the whole day, but so far I'm really loving this mascara because it lengthens my eyelashes and it gives a bit of curl, yes, but I think it does what it says. It's a volumizing mascara, so I really love it. I really love it. So this, I definitely would buy the full size of it. I'm so glad I chose this. And then last but not least is actually the Dew Tube Hydrating Lip Gloss. I think okay, the brand is Dew Tube. It's a hydrating lip gloss, so it's also sample size. I have it on my lips today. And let me just show you the swatch. It says that it's a lip gloss, but it really has a really good color payoff. As you can see, it's very pigmented. For a gloss, it's very pigmented, so it's not sticky. It's very comfortable to wear. It's not sticky. I love the color. So yeah, I'm happy that I got this. I think this color is, I'm not too sure what color this is. Okay, it's in the color Petal, so it's really nice. I love it. So yeah, that is all for my glam bag. So far, I love all the products that I got. I especially love the mascara because I wanted to try it out. I got it as a choice, and turns out it's really good. So yeah, this is very nice. So next we move on to the Glam Bag Plus. So this is how the bag looks like. It has the same design as the Glam Bag, but it's not embossed. It's canvas with imprint of the vampire lips. So it has like a white outline. As you can see here, there's no outline, but here it has an outline. So let's see. So I'm gonna go with the items that I picked first. Okay, first item that I picked is this. This is the Viseart Petite Pro 1 palette. So this one, I chose this palette. I already have the 2 and 3, so I wanted the number 1 to complete the set. So it's really small. This is the size. It's like, just fits in palm of my hand. And then it has mirror, and then so okay, so this is how it looks like, the color story. It's a very, I would say, neutral palette, but it also has like I would say this is like a cool tone. Yeah, well, this is cool tone, but this is a bit warmer, so I think this is like a good neutral palette to have. It has cool tone and warm tones here, as well as a nice range of shimmers here. Yeah, as you know, Viseart palettes are really good. It's not cheap, so I'm so glad that I got this, so that I don't have to spend. If you want to try out Viseart palette and you don't want to spend a lot of money, I highly suggest you try these smaller palettes, so that you know, you would know roughly how the texture, how the pigmentation, how it performs, so that you can, you know, if you know you like the formula, then you can, you know, splurge on the bigger palettes. So I now have all 3. I think they have like number 4 and 5 as well, but I don't know, maybe I'll get that later. But yeah, so this is the first item I got. The next item that I chose is actually the Araceli Ojos Perfectos Gel Pencil Eyeliner Duo with Sharpener. So I actually have the gel pencil in black. I got it before in my Ipsy, and I really love the pencil. I think I have it here. So this is how it looks like. So I got it previously in my Glam Bag, I think. So yeah, when I saw that they have a duo, I was thinking, okay, maybe I can just get that. I think the duo okay, it has the black color and the rose gold color, and it also has a sharpener, so that's a plus. Let me see. Okay, so I'm just gonna, so I like this. I like this eyeliner because it's very creamy. It's a creamy formula, so I'm sure you can see. So this is the rose gold color and this is the black color, you can see. Yeah, and it also comes with, again, like I said, see, it comes with a sharpener. So yeah, win. And then the next item that I chose is actually a perfume by Tokyo Milk. So I never gotten any perfumes in my glam bag, so I was happy to be able to choose this. So this is how the packaging looks like. This is actually the scent is called French Kiss. It has notes of juicy mandarin, floral, tuberose, and gardenia, and earthy vetiver, and earthy I don't know how to use. And earthy vetiver come together to create a scent that is good. To create a scent that's equal parts fresh, romantic, and feminine. So it's vegan and cruelty free. Yeah. So, oops. So I've never smelled it. So I just wanna. So upon first spritz, it has like a very manly smell, but after a while it has this like very musky, but it's like musky but fresh scent. It's something that I don't necessarily go for usually for perfumes, but yeah, it has quite a musky smell. So if you're not into musky smell, so maybe you won't like this. But I think it has like a very unique smell. Yeah, it has like fresh citrusy but with a musky undertone. I don't know. Yeah, I like it. I will definitely use this. It has a very unique smell, I think. So, and the packaging is simple and cute as well. Oh, you see behind, inside the bottle, it has an Eiffel Tower image inside. So cute. Okay, so those are the 3 things that I chose. So the other 2 products that I got that they chose for me is actually the Gold Faden MD Solution Mist RX Daily Nutrient Facial Mist. Gold Faden MD is an expensive skincare brand, so I'm glad that I got this in the bag. So I have not tried this, so let me just open it. It's great that they have like a seal. Okay. So I don't know whether you can. Okay, doesn't have any smell. It says that quench a dull and dehydrated complexion with Dr. Gold Faden's ultra fine mist that infuses an extra boost of minerals, skin nourishing antioxidants, and nutrients anytime you feel stressed or dehydrated. So I'm glad I got this because I'm gonna start working from office soon, and knowing with COVID still around, and then traveling to the office, and then during the hot Malaysia tends to be really hot, so it's good that I have this. I can just pop this in my bag and just spritz on my face whenever I need, like whenever I need my skin to feel refreshed and dehydrated. So this is really nice. So glad I got this. So the last item that I got that they chose for me is actually I don't know how to pronounce this brand as well, but I think it's called Douce, I think Douce, the Douce Posh, I'm so sorry if I butchered the name. This is the Douce Posh Powder Palette. Yeah, it's like I think it's a blush and yes, it's a blush and highlighter palette. Let's see how it looks like. Okay, so it has a very sleek black packaging. Oops, sleek black packaging. You know, it has the color names behind. So this is how it looks like. It has 3 blush and 3 highlighter. I actually use this. Yeah, I think yes, I use this as my blush today. I have it here, you know, just to something like a contouring and blush at the same time. I think the color is really nice. I also tried this color on as my highlight today. So this is how the swatches looks like. So this is the 3 highlight and this is the 3 blush. I think the highlight is translating similar. It's actually 3 different color, but it looks a bit similar on camera. I don't know whether you can see the difference. And this is the 3 blush. So texture wise, I think it's not bad. I mean, it feels almost like a very creamy powder, so it doesn't have any like fallout or anything. Texture wise, it feels quite nice, and yeah, I'm liking it so far. So I also got an add-on from their flash. I think it was flash sale or their shop. I got the micro needle face roller. I think this was like only $10. Yeah, so it's like a micro needle for your face. You can use it on your face, on your body. So basically, I've never tried any micro needle face roller thing, so I was quite intrigued to try it. It says that it gently penetrates the skin and stimulate collagen and elastin production, which helps to result in smoother, firmer and healthier skin and reduce the signs of aging. Helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, scars and stretch marks on the face and body. So as you can see, I have like scars on my face, so I'm quite intrigued and I wanted to try this. So, oh, this is quite cool. So it's in like a bag like this. This is how it looks like. It's quite small. So it has very like tiny needles there. They say it's not gonna, I mean, I was quite scared to try because I don't know whether you can see the tiny, needles. I'm quite scared to try, but it says that they say that it would not like hurt you. But okay, actually you can feel the needle. I'm testing it out on my arms. Okay, that tickles. Okay, so yeah, you can actually feel the needle, but it's not painful at all. It's just like if you are ticklish, then you feel a bit ticklish. But yeah, you can definitely feel the needle, but yeah, okay, I mean, it's not so bad. If you do it gently, then it should be fine. If you do it gently, it should be fine. So I'm glad that I got this at a discounted price. So I think that is all for my video for today. I hope you enjoyed watching. I hope you find it useful. Don't forget to like this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.